Stop suffering through laggy lip sync on Netflix. I'm going to show you how to fix audio and video sync issues in under 2 minutes. Step 1. The 3-minute power cycle. This resolves 70% of sync errors by flushing your device's audio cache. Simply unplug your TV or streaming box from the wall for a full 3 minutes, then restart. This forces a clean system handshake. Step 2. Toggle the audio stream. If the lag persists while playing a title, open the audio and subtitles menu. Switch the audio from 5.1 to stereo, wait 10 seconds, and then switch it back. This resyncs the audio stream with the video feed. Step 3. Check your connection. Use the built-in internet speed test in the Netflix app settings to verify your bandwidth. Netflix requires 15 to 25 megabits per second for 4K. If your speed is low, switch from a 2.4 GHz to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for better stability. For mobile users, try clearing the Netflix app cache in your device settings. This removes temporary data that can cause processing lag. Finally, if you use a soundbar, switch your TV's audio output to PCM. This reduces the processing time between the TV and speakers. That's it, quick and easy. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech fixes. I'll see you in the next one.